Welcome to Chemistry Academy, Fajandar High School and Junior College, Vahur. Dear student, our current topic is chemical kinetics, and we are last stage of this topic, that is pseudo first order reaction. Now first order reaction already we have discussed, the reaction in which rate depends upon first power, one power of concentration of reacting species, and that is called as your first order reaction. What is zero order reaction? The reaction in which rate independent on concentration of reacting species, initial concentration of reacting species, and that is called as zero order reaction. Now our today's lecture is pseudo, here P silent, pseudo first order reaction. What is pseudo first order reaction? Hardly 1 minute. What is pseudo first order reaction? The reaction which expected to be second order, means higher order. The reaction which expected to be second order but obey first order kinetics. Such reactions are called as pseudo first order reaction. With two examples, we'll try to cover this part. What is pseudo first order reaction? The reaction expected to be second order but follow first order kinetics. Such reactions are called as pseudo first order reaction. Hardly 5 minutes. Again, I will try to explain or recall the definition of pseudo first order reaction. Now take example, hydrolysis of methyl acetate. Best example is given here, hydrolysis of methyl acetate. Now hydrolysis means we can say reaction with water or addition of water. Any organic reaction in which the species react with water, addition of water, that is called as hydrolysis. Now methyl acetate is CH3 COOCH3. Now this one is your methyl and this part is your acetate. Now methyl acetate react with water molecule. Methyl acetate react with water molecule when it undergoes hydrolysis. So see this part, CH3 and OH from water, CH3 and OH from water, a removal of, क्या remove हो जाएगा, CH3OH. Now my remaining part is CH3COO and H from water, means methyl acetate on hydrolysis convert into carboxylic acid. Methyl acetate on hydrolysis convert into carboxylic acid. Now this is in aqueous medium, water, it is liquid, it is present in large quantity or in excess. Carboxylic acid is also in aqueous medium. Now write the kinetic of this reaction. So you can write the rate law. And what is rate law? हम लोगों ने डिस्कस किया है. व्हाट इज रेट लॉ? द रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन डिपेंड्स अपॉन कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ ओनली रिएक्टिंग स्पेसीज. मतलब रेट काय पर प्रोपोर्शनल करेगा? कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ रिएक्टिंग स्पेसीज. सो हियर वी कैन राइट रेट इज इक्वल टू के into concentration of methyl acetate CH3 COOCH3 and concentration of water molecule. Now this is the rate of this reaction according to rate law. Now suppose I have to write the order of this reaction. Now the order of methyl acetate is 1, means it is first order. Order of water is here 1, means it is first order. So it is expected to be second order. It is expected to be second order, but water, it is present in large quantity. Water is present in large quantity or it is present in excess. Okay, so the change in its concentration is negligible. Any quantity which is present in excess, जो भी ज्यादा क्वांटिटी में रहता है उसका concentration को क्या करते, neglect करते. Now concentration is negligible मतलब rate independent on that concentration. मतलब concentration of excess species remains constant. So here we will write, since water is present in excess, so its concentration remains constant. Here you have to write the reaction, what you will write here, the reaction expected to be second order, but water as a solvent present in excess, its concentration is negligible. Concentration is negligible means its concentration remains constant. Now its concentration remains constant means this rate become, what we will write here, rate is equal to K into concentration of methyl acetate into concentration of water remains constant. Means here rate depends upon only concentration of methyl acetate. So we can write here n means order of reaction, and order of reaction क्या हो जाएगा 1. So higher order convert into first order because of water solvent present in excess, and such reactions are called as pseudo first order reaction. The reaction expected to be second order but follow first order kinetics, such reactions are called as a pseudo first order reaction, and best example that is hydrolysis of methyl acetate. Now student, next homework is or question is given to you. Hydrolysis of sugar cane sugar or disaccharide. Hydrolysis of disaccharide, it is first order reaction. Hydrolysis of disaccharide is a first order, is a pseudo first order reaction. Now this is the question. Now, what is disaccharide? Your monosaccharide like glucose, fructose are the monosaccharide. And what is molecular formula of monosaccharide? C6H12O6. What is molecular formula of disaccharide? C12H22O11. C12H22O11. Now, hydrolysis means it react with water. And when it react with water, it will convert into C6H12O6 plus C6H12O6. It will convert into C6H12O6 plus C6H12O6. Now one is your glucose and second one is your fructose. See, these are the two products formed when disaccharide undergoes hydrolysis. Now these are the monosaccharide. Here water is in liquid, it is present in excess. Okay, now this is the homework to you. Can hydrolysis of disaccharide follow the pseudo first order reaction? Write in detail in systematic way and post me on my personal number. Now let me discuss this point. How will you explain this point? First write rate law. And what is the rate law of this reaction? Rate proportional, remove proportional, so is equal to, rate is equal to, yes, rate is equal to K concentration of disaccharide C12H22O11 into concentration of H2O. So here you will write the reaction expected to follow, the reaction expected to follow second order, expected to follow second order, but water is in excess, but water is in excess, so its concentration is negligible. So here you can write the concentration of water remains constant, so the rate become, here rate is equal to K into concentration of C12H22O11 into constant, and finally the order of reaction is, what is order of reaction? First order reaction. So write in systematic way, follow your textbook to explain these two examples. So let me revise. What is pseudo first order reaction? The reaction which is expected to be higher order but follow the first order kinetics. अब क्वेश्चन अराइज होता कि why higher order reaction convert into first order, या हाउ हायर ऑर्डर विल कन्वर्ट इनटू फर्स्ट ऑर्डर. कैसा कन्वर्ट होगा हायर ऑर्डर फर्स्ट ऑर्डर में? बाय टेकिंग वन ऑफ द रिएक्टिंग स्पेसिस इन एक्सेस. अगर मुझे हायर ऑर्डर को फर्स्ट ऑर्डर में कन्वर्ट करने का रहा तो मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा? कोई भी एक रिएक्टिंग स्पेसिस, बेटर वे टेक सॉल्वेंट. इज इन एक्सेस, और जो भी चीज एक्सेस रहता उसका कॉन्सेंट्रेशन क्या हो जाता, कॉन्सेंट्रेशन रिमेन्स कांस्टेंट, एंड इफ द कॉन्सेंट्रेशन रिमेन्स कांस्टेंट, रेट उस पर डिपेंड रहेगा कि नो, रेट इंडिपेंडेंट ऑन कांस्टेंट स्पेसिस, सो दैट स्पेसिस विल बी नेग्लिजिबल, मैं उसको disappear कर दूंगा, and rate will depends upon only one species, and in this way higher order can be converted into first order, and this is the best example of your pseudo first order reaction. Okay, so dear student, this is all about a small concept. What is pseudo first order reaction? What are the examples of pseudo first order reaction? Thank you.